No, you are not dreaming. You are seeing the vision. I repeat, you are not dreaming. You are seeing the vision.
No need to go back to Panda Express. We got it at home. Let me show you how to make the Beijing beef.
We're starting off with that flank steak. Make sure you treat it with love. You see that grain? Go against the grain. That's going to be very crucial in the development. Crack an egg. You want to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Get your soy sauce, baking soda, salt. Give it a nice mix, and what we're gonna do is leave it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to velvet the meat. Grab your cornstarch in a separate bowl. We're gonna dip these bad boys fully coated till it looks like this. Throw it in that air fryer. Make sure to grease it up and layer it piece by piece. You don't want them to be stacked. 400 degrees, 8 minutes. Voila, you have your air fried beef. Next, we're gonna start with the sauce base. We're gonna make what's really the Beijing beef. It's really gonna bring out the flavor. You see the soy sauce, the oyster sauce, the ketchup, the hoisin sauce, red pepper. Combine all these ingredients, and what you wanna do is stir this thoroughly. The veggies for the Beijing beef is actually really simple. All you have to do is cube up the veggies. Make sure they're little cubes. You're familiar with that size. You've seen it at the Panda. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Don't act surprised. What's the matter with you? Come on. In a pan, you're gonna saute these veggies until the onions become translucent. And you're gonna add in the garlic, because garlic only takes about 30 seconds to cook. And then throw in that sauce, the Beijing beef sauce. That's gonna be very crucial. Grab those fried beef shanks, throw it in the pan. Throw in your cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. It should look like this after a few stirs. If that doesn't look delicious, I don't know what does. Next, we're going to focus on the chow mein. We're going to chop up the celery. In a bowl, we're going to kind of sort of recreate that Beijing beef sauce. A little bit different, but it's going to be for the chow mein. Go ahead and stir it and put that to the side. In boiling water, you're going to add your yakisoba noodles. These are my favorite Asian noodles. I don't know what it is about these yakisoba noodles, but they are fantastic. For some reason, they're hard to find, which probably adds to the flavor. Now that you have your noodles to the side, we're gonna go ahead and cook those vegetables. We have our celery, and then we have our cabbage mix that also has carrots. We're gonna saute these down. Once the vegetables are sauteed, put them to the side. Throw back in your yakisoba noodles, add a little bit of oil, and then add everything together. You're gonna throw in the sauce for your chow mein to complete the dish. With that final stir, your chow mein should come out looking like this. And like that, once you assemble your chow mein and Beijing beef, you have brought your dream to reality. Look how beautiful, look how delicious and scrumptious this Panda Express Beijing beef looks.
Okay. Yeah. You know what this tastes like? It tastes like we got Panda Express at home.
Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. The full recipe is in the description below.